Hey guys, how's it going? This is Helpful Lockpicker here, and welcome back to my LockSport Introduction series. What my goal with this series is, what I want to do is try to make a really great catalog of all of the great channels out there. All you need to do to submit your channel is just make a video that's less than 10 minutes, use royalty-free music, and just try to make a video that'll help encompass what your channel is all about. So in this week's, what we're going to do is we're going to be taking a look at a channel called Roy Sammons, and I'm going to bring him up for you right now. So Roy Sammons reached out to me and he told me that he would really love to share his channel with everyone. So as you can see, at the current time, Roy Sammons has 146 subscribers. And let's just take a quick look at all of the videos. So at the time of making this, he has 77 videos, and that is really cool. He's been really doing a great job in pushing out some really great content. And looking at his About page, we can go back over to the top here, and we can see a description of his channel and what he is all about. So without further ado, what I would like to do is share with you Roy Sammons' channel introductory video, and what I'm going to do is play that for you right now.
Hello, my name is Roy Sammons and I enjoy lockpicking. Now this, what you can see, may be familiar to some of you, it is my lock lab. Looks very much like the TARDIS, Doctor Who's TARDIS. This used to be my son's bedroom many years ago, before he got married. Now, this is the room where I pick locks. This is the room. That's my desk, and this is the bit that you normally see when I'm picking locks. My hand's usually down here. My phone's in this. Here's some of my tools and picks, and I've got some extra light. More tools and extra light again. More lockpicking stuff. There's my vise. Here we have spare keys, blank keys, and more lockpicking equipment. More lockpicking stuff here, locks to be picked, extra bits of equipment and stuff. Go down to this one, and there are locks in these two boxes to be picked, and these more locks ready to go. So this is what you normally see, like I said. So from here, let's go to my workshop, show you what I do when I make the picks and play with pins, and then I'll show you my second area that I sometimes pick locks from, so I don't just do them from here. So keep watching, hope you enjoy. Okay, here's my workshop, where I work, and there's the workshop. I'm just going to show you inside quickly. Okay, this is my workshop. It's a very busy workshop. There's my homemade wall saw that I use to cut large material. Here is my belt sander and some more of my tools, the grinder that you've seen me use in some of my videos. Various tools. This is the bench that I used when I'm making picks, and usually work from here or on here and use some of these tools. There's like a Dremel kind of tool there. So I'm just going to show you another area just outside of the workshop, just that way, where I pick, and I'll stop the video, restart it again, and show you the area where I do some of my picking. Okay, we're going to leave the workshop where I do a lot of my pick building and things, and this is what I usually do. This is where I pick the safe. This room's been changed around since then. This is what I normally do, pick padlocks and things, normally set up similar to this. I just sit on the stool, and there's my holder for my camera, and I pick locks on this. You've seen the green background. I also like the one that I have two, like the one that I have at home that I do most of my other picking from. So that's about it. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye now.
Alright, so that was really cool getting to know Roy Sammons a little bit more, checking out all of his great setup, and I just want to say thank you to Roy Sammons for sharing. So if you enjoyed what you saw and you'd like to see more content by him, what you can do is hit that subscribe button right over there and consider subscribing to his channel. Every subscription makes such a big difference, and I just want to say thank you to everyone that continually helps support all of the smaller channels. But either way, guys, this is all that I have for you today for this week's channel introductory series. If you'd like to see your channel shared, just let me know that you're interested, and what I can do is help clarify anything, and once it is ready, all I recommend that you do is just send me a way to get a hold of your video, whether it be an unlisted video, whether it be a direct download, whatever it makes it work. But all I need for a criteria for this is just to have a really nice, clean, fun LockSport channel. Try to make your introductory video under 10 minutes. Please use royalty-free music. And also just try to make a video that'll help anyone that watches it get to know your channel. The scope of the video is just to do a really brief introductory video, so if someone watches it, they'll be able to get to know you in that short time frame. But either way, guys, this is all that I have for you this week. If you have any questions or suggestions, as always, please drop those in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video and you'd like to see more like it, please subscribe. As always, thank you so much for checking this out, and I hope you all have a great day, and I cannot wait to see you in the next video.